everybody, what's up?
To start, press the play button.
Welcome to another video with happiness and education, where everyone learns to smile. Are you ready to embark on a new adventure full of learning and fun? That's great! So today we are gonna... Oh, come on! Today we are gonna play Sesame Street, Bert and Ernie, reuse and reinvent. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Let it load.
What you doing there, Bert?
Oh, hey, Ernie. I was just spring cleaning.
Well, it doesn't look like a spring, Bert. It looks like a table. You're table cleaning.
Ernie. These are all things I found to be recycled while cleaning the house.
Oh, I got an idea, Bert. How about we upcycle them instead? See, that means we reuse them to create new things.
Good idea.
Ooh, I love a good craft project. What should we upcycle first? Shoe boxes, cardboard tubes, or drink cartons.
Let's do shoe boxes.
What can we upcycle out of shoe boxes? An instrument, a planter, or a race car.
We can do a drums are old instrument.
How will we upcycle this into an instrument?
That's what we've got to figure out, Bert. Come on, let's get started.
All right. This is gonna be fun. Don't you agree?
Upcycle step 1. Let's make a plan.
Hey, I know. We can make a guitar. What size box should we use?
Let's use, medium.
Now let's add a neck.
All right. Let's use a lot.
And some strings.
No, you know what? Let's choose the bigger one. The bigger the better. Big strings, so that
Wait, you all done? Press the arrow to see what's next.
it stays all balanced. All right, let's see what we do next.
Upcycle step 2. Time to build our instrument.
First, we have to cut a hole for the neck. Drag the scissors to the box to cut a hole.
All right.
Then we secure it onto the carton.
All right, here you
Then
go.
we add the rubber bands.
Rubber bands, check.
Time to decorate. First, choose a color
I
and
think
a pattern.
this should stay yellow. And honestly think red. The pattern,
Then add stickers.
I think stripes look good. And let's put
Wait, you all done? Press the arrow to see what's next.
pink. Let's go and see what's next.
Upcycle step 3, test mode.
Let's see how this instrument plays. Click to play the guitar.
Let's do it.
Keep strumming to test the guitar.
Hey, sounds good. But I wonder what we could change to make it sound even better.
Let's try changing the body. Cutting a hole in it makes the sound louder, and using different sized rubber bands will change the sound it makes.
Okay, let's cut a hole. Now let's change the rubber bands.
Click to play the guitar.
Beautiful music.
Now it sounds even better.
Way to go!
Good job! We created a beautiful melody using something that could go in the garbage, but no, we saved the earth. Good job!
Hey, you know what, Bert?
What's that, Ernie?
This would make a great gift for Julia.
Good thinking, Ernie.
play some tunes on your new upcycled guitar.
Yay!
So fun! Sharing joy with others is always fun.
What do you want to upcycle next?
Let's do toilet paper
What can
rolls.
we upcycle out of cardboard tubes, an instrument, a planter, or a race car?
Let's do a race
But how
car.
will we upcycle this into a race car?
That's what we've got to figure out, Bert. Come on, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Upcycle step 1. Let's make a plan.
What size tube should we use?
Well, the bigger the better.
Next, let's choose something for the axle. That's the thing that holds the wheels on.
Ooh, okay. Should we use
Now let's choose something for the wheels.
toothpicks, pencils, or straws? I think straws are stronger. Let's
Wait,
use
you
the
all
big
done?
wheel.
Press the arrow to see what's next. Upcycle step 2. Time to build our race car.
Let's do it.
First, we have to cut holes for the axles. Drag the scissors to the car to cut the holes.
All right.
Next, we have to add the axles.
Okay.
Now we add the wheels.
Let's do it.
Time to decorate. First, choose a color,
Let me
then a pattern.
let's do a blue.
Click around to design our cool new race car.
Then add stickers.
I think the stripes look good, but we should try a different one. Let's try the bubbles. Looks good. Cause it's so fast.
Wait, you all done? Press the arrow to see what's next.
Cause it's so fast. Let's add a lightning bolt. All right. Let's see what's next.
Upcycle step 3. Test mode.
Click to push the car.
All right. Go, go. Oh no.
It didn't make it to the finish line. I wonder what we can change to make it go farther.
Let's try changing the wheels. Click to change the wheels. These wheels help it go farther. Click to push the car.
Go, go,
Running
go,
pretty
go.
smooth now.
You can do it, car. Come on. Almost there. Come on, come on. Come on, just a bit more.
Click to change the wheels.
Way to go!
Running pretty smooth now.
That was really fun. Don't you agree, guys?
Hey, you know what, Bert?
What's that, Ernie?
This would make a great gift for Wes.
Oh, what a kind idea!
Go vroom, vroom, vroom with your new upcycled race car. Cool.
See, sharing your toys, well, and even your crafts spreads happiness.
What do you want to upcycle next?
Let's do drink cartons.
What can we upcycle out of drink cartons, an instrument, a planter, or a race car?
Let's do a planter.
But how will we upcycle this into a planter?
That's what we've got to figure out, Bert. Come on, let's get started.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Upcycle step 1. Let's make a plan.
What size carton should we use?
The bigger the better.
Let's choose some dirt to fill it with.
Now let's choose some seeds.
Let's
Wait, you all done? Press the arrow to see what's next.
grow tulips.
Upcycle step 2. Time to build our planter.
All right.
First, we have to cut a hole for the dirt.
Next, we have to add the dirt.
Dirt,
Now we
come
add
on.
the seeds.
Time to decorate. First, then a pattern.
Well, I I think red would look good. Let's do the
Then add
stars.
stickers.
A little, well, leaf.
Wait, are you all done? Press the arrow to see what's next.
Let's do it.
Upcycle step 3, test mode.
Let's see if we can grow some wildflowers.
To help it grow, you need sun, water, and time.
Click to give the plant a little bit of water.
Here you go.
Oh, I see a sprout.
Ooh, it's starting to grow, Bert.
Yay!
I wonder if there's anything we can do to help it grow even bigger.
Let's try changing how much sun it gets.
Okay.
Let's try changing how much water it gets.
This time we'll add a lot.
Giving it more water, sun, and time helps it grow bigger.
I
Hey, look,
see
Bert,
something.
We grew some wildflowers.
Way to go!
We did it. Good job.
Hey, you know what, Bert?
What's that, Ernie?
This would make a great gift for Julia.
I was thinking the same thing.
We upcycled a planter and grew you some wildflowers.
Yay! So nice to share happiness, don't you agree?
What do you want to upcycle next?
Well, I think Bert and Ernie do not know that it's the end of this video. Well, I'll keep continuing upcycle with them until you guys like and subscribe. It was really fun playing with you guys, wasn't it? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. And subscribe so that we can continue to play more Sesame Street games. Alright, it's me smiling and saying goodbye. Farewell.